My friend just took us to this sketchy looking place. I have no idea where we are. We're wearing hoodies and we look like freaking roadmen right now. Man, this is so litty though. Look at this view, man. Look at, we're on a whole freaking mountain, fam. Hey, wait, is that a candle down there? I see two lit candles down there. Look, look. You see that?
What the frick is wrong with you?
No, look. You see that?
Where?
There on the light.
Use your shadow to point.
Yeah, I am. Look.
Yeah, no, you're seeing things, you demonic spirits.
No, look at my phone. Like, bro. Look. You see? Oh, frick.
Let me see.
Hey, was there some cult going down there?
Let me see.
Look.
Is there like one light
There's
spot
like
down
one
there?
light there.
No.
Okay.
Wait, but
Wallah sepul trip.
I remember this like thing being here for like.
Oh, we're in Drummond right now.
Dave, you go here. Bro, this is exactly where you see those like kidnapping stories on like those like weird animated things.
Hey,
on YouTube,
you
bro.
two little boys. Nah, it's okay. Okay.
I can hear crickets. This is pretty sick.
Wait, David. So this, if we were gonna take a shortcut, how would we do it?
Oh, you go down here and you see that house? We
Yeah.
were like right next to it.
Yeah, can we go from here to go back, or is it bad?
We can, but like you don't need to point the light or else
No, this is
we might
sketchy.
trip and fall.
This sketchy. I don't think I want to take the risk though.
No, whatever. Just let's go.
Wait, you're actually doing it, dude.
Yeah.
It looks so deep, dude. What do you mean?
Yeah, it is pretty deep.
No, heck no.
No, it's fine. Come on.
Come on, I'm staying down like Christian. I'm not risking breaking my feet.
Yo, David, what's up with you? David, why you?
Yeah, I agree. You're acting different.
Ow! Dave, dog, you were literally stepping on my foot with all your weight.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know.
Oh, use my fingers.
I thought you meant you were getting stuck by a thorn or something. Oh, frick. My pants, they got some weird stuff on them now.
It's a cat. Yo, dude, that light thing you saw was a cat.
Oh, it was a cat.
Yeah.
Oh, heck no. Let's go. Nah, let's not go this way, dude.
No.
No, dude. No. No, this is sketchy, man. Please, dude. Oh, fuck. Frick.
Oh, no, this is messed up. David, what's up with you? How you doing this?
What the
Be
frick?
careful and don't trip like me.
This is sketchy, man. This is a bad idea, dude. Where'd the cat go, man?
They ran off.
Wallah sepul trip.
Yo,
I'm finna trip.
oh, hell.
But I'm holding on to you, man. I don't know.
Down
Hell no.
here. Straight back.
To the no. I'm out.
Bro, this is wrong.
Wait, what? There's a block here.
Nah, it's fine. Just go around. Yeah, this isn't the door of the. Oh no, it's shadows.
You know where we need to.
The cat.
No. I'm not staring behind. Let's go.
Yeah. Fine. Be careful, Slenderman is here.
Heck no.
This is messed up, David.
Hell no.
What was the point of
To the no.
Yeah, we're back here.
Hey, we back, boys. Ow! I got stuck.
Wait, going at nighttime actually seems like a fun idea.
Damn, I got stung.
No, it might be an addiction.
Frick, what stung me, bro?
Like some like thorn or something.
Oh, guys,
My drip's looking fresh, though.
guys, use that.
I've been recording this whole time. Should we run back now?
Oh yeah, let's go. Come on.
No.
No, we're not going back. We're going up to the school.
To my
Wait, what school?
Yeah.
How far is that?
We're not the whole entire way. We can maybe go to Kiwi. It's not very far. And it's mostly like, it's not even like steep upward hills like here. So come on, let's go.
David, what's up with you?
What do you mean? I'm just exploring at nighttime.